guys, finally Sleeps here, back again with another video. We have another product here we're going to test out. This is a set of NYXCL 60-piece sanding discs. It's a full kit that I got my hands on. Let's go ahead. We're going to do some unboxing here. I want to see exactly what we're dealing with. This is a big box of abrasives. Oh, so they're really small, 2-inch sanding discs. We do a lot of small custom work, logos. There's a lot of times where we get into plastic repair. If you're building older cars, like anybody that knows anything about working on NA and NB Miatas knows there is a lot of plastic repair when you get into interior pieces because it's convertible. A lot of this has a lot of sun rot and sun damage, UV damage in the plastic, like the gear shroud over the gauge cluster often has some cracks, and we get into some small fine repair, and that's what these come into play for. Let's see, we've got 80 grit. It says it's 60 pieces. There's 60 grit. 120, we're getting a little bit. Oh, and it comes with, this must be the 1/4-inch holder. Let's see, is it? Oh, it's a quick change too. That's what it looks like. So, quick change holder for your impact. And it's got a drill connection too. So there's two. Let's see. So there's a little locking bit. Locks in. So this is your quick change. And then I'm assuming, let's see, what else do we have? Well, these are, I have to go through the full list, see what all we're dealing with. Damn, that is an abrasive pad. There's no number on it, but I guess they lock in here. So, and then it's just a quick swap. It's rubberized. It looks nice. Let's see. What else? More 80s. Here's some buffing wheels. Comes with buffing wheels as well. What are these? Lower grit. 120, 60, 180. More of these really rough. God, that would pretty much remove paint, polish, and everything. 240 and here. So let's see what the list is. Exactly what you're getting. 60, 80, 120, 180, 240. The oxide discs, 3 kinds of grit, 60, 80, 120. Those are these, the oxide grit. Nylon, open mesh, 3D structure, 3 size, superior hardness. Particles provide strong and fast cutting force and able to work well on various shapes, even the rugged ones. That is, and if you can see it, that would destroy something. I'm interested to see what this is going to do. So the next step, I guess, is we're going to test some of these out. There is, because I have multiple channels here on YouTube, we do have a channel that is game related for Raid Shadow Legends, and there is a contest being put on for content creators right now, and it's not really a contest, but you have to make some offline weapons for some of the characters in the game, and you do it, and we're getting in-game merchandise for completing it. So I have some wood that I want to sand and work with, some small stuff. We're going to start with a pencil because this is just a small project. So this is the really rough grit. I can't remember what it was actually called, but we're gonna swap this out. The amount of, we've got polishing pads, that's what we're using. We've got a rougher, and let's go with some of the 60 grit. Locking in. Oh, that actually tears into it. For the project that we're doing, this is actually working out pretty well. So I am running into a problem here. This, with the locking, as far as the impact goes, it's too long. It won't lock in. So it's coming out. So we're gonna go ahead and swap this over and to the rotary tool attachment, or we'll just put it into the drill for now. It's locked in. Go back to the 80, and this time we're gonna put it in the drill. I'm going to go ahead and swap this out. What was this? This was 60. Let's go to 180. The amount of stuff that this kit comes with is crazy. So we're looking at 60 pieces between all the different grit and size. Some of these have 5, 10 pieces. This is going to last you quite a while. The two different setups, the quick release for an impact, unhappy with the fact that this is too long and it's not quite working out. But the other one, much better for the drill, or if you're gonna use like a rotary tool. Do we need a larger chuck? Yeah, it's not gonna fit in our rotary tool. I'm sure with this, there's probably a chuck adapter or something smaller to fit your rotary tool, but for us, it worked just fine in the drill. All right, after extensive testing, this is, I mean, that is a massive box of sanding discs. I love the quick change. This is so nice. The discs last quite a while for what we're using them for. Wood and plastic is what we've tested on. I haven't tried metal yet, just to see. We just don't have any projects around here that kind of require it. But as far as using it in a drill or something with a large chuck key for a rotary tool, a small Dremel did not work. We don't have a chuck big enough to hold this. I think the only thing that I'm kind of disappointed with was that the quick removal for use in like a quick change doesn't work. And it's, the problem is that locks in, but the length here is bad. So if you look at the difference between the two, it's just that this one's just a little bit too long. Kind Could I cut that off and grind it down? Yeah. Will I? Probably. Just to make it work. But that's the only drawback. As far as the sanding discs go, the kit comes with 60 pieces. It's a lot. I mean, that is a lot to deal with. 5 kinds of common grit. You've got 3 kinds of zirconium oxide discs, 3 different sizes of nylon SIC sanding discs, and 25-piece aluminum oxide discs. I mean, that's a lot. It's a lot that it comes with. This will last a very long time. I think the price it's about $25 on Amazon for what you get. Highly recommend it. Glad I got a hold of this. Finally, he sleeps. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos. Check out the link below if you want to get your hands on this full set of sanding discs. So I went simple. It just looks like a stick. So all it is, it started out as a number 2 pencil, and this is going to be my Donatella staff. Markers to paint it, to get the wood grain appearance. That should be about it. There it is. There's my staff.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams. In a world of games it seems.